My arm is broken? Why is your arm broken? Like, for real? Hope you get better soon. Hope it heals quickly. I never ever broke anything in my life. You know what's weird? My voice is still so wakey. Not so wakey. I just wakey. I never broke anything in my life. And, like, I always felt like I want to break something. I always felt like kind of boring that I never broke something before. I also want a cast. So I've been thinking this for many years. Like, oh, I wish I would also break something one time in my life. I want people to come to the hospital to see me. I want people to ride on my cast. That's the M speaking. No, I just don't. It hurts. Yeah, but you broke my heart. I wanna break my. Actually, it would be really good if I break my shoulder or something, because my shoulder is really fucked up to begin with. So I was always thinking, like, I just want to rip out my arm and then throw it away and then get a new arm connected to my shoulder. Because, yeah, can I just break my shoulder? I feel like if I once just completely break it, it might be able to heal finally. Yeah, that's my logic. I think that is actually possible. Yeah. I sprained both my arms and ankle 4 weeks ago. It was painful. You don't want to... I do want to break something! I'm very used to pain. I'm very used to pain, so... I'm like under constant pain. So I'm used to it. So today we are playing some more Minecraft.